Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on model and date and time watermark in your Realme 6i. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Realme 6i and you are wondering how to turn on model, date and time watermark in your Realme 6i. In order to do that, you need to go in your camera apps and then you need to click this three dot icon. After click over there, we're going to see here setting. After jump over setting, we scroll down and we're going to find here something, say watermark. Now, for example, I want to turn on phone model watermark. And also I would like to turn on date and time watermark. Let me go back and let me try to take a picture and let me see the preview. You can see in my phone just now I have took the picture, it's appear the date and time and also model watermark. So this is how you can easily turn on model watermark or date and time watermark in your Realme 6i. You might be decide to turn this off. In order to do that, same section to click this three line icon and then to click here setting. After click over there, you're going to see here the watermark. You can easily turn off. If you want to turn off the date and time, you can turn off. If you want to turn the model watermark, also you can turn off. Also, in phone model watermark, you can also type the author, the custom name or etc. That will make you more professional. You might want to photography by XYZ. You can easily type. So if in later on, if someone going to be, if you're going to take a picture, it's also giving you the author name. So this is how you can easily turn on or off phone model and date and time watermark in your Realme 6i. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.